So when it comes to importing your 360 footage to a computer, it is essential that you organize things correctly. If you don't have a good file management system in place, once you start getting loads of 360 footage, you're going to get super confused, you may lose footage, files may get lost, and you might accidentally delete the footage. We don't want that. So in this video, I'm going to give you my real simple step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your file management for 360 videos. Okay, so I am over on my desktop now, and first things first, we want to create ourselves a new folder. So I create a new folder for every single project or campaign that I'm working on or video that I'm making. This is all, as you can see here, you can see all my different locations where I've been shooting mountain bike videos. So let's just create a new one called test. And you open that up, and then before you just import all your 360 footage into this, what I would do is I would create two new folders called 360 footage, or even Insta360 footage, and then I would create one called reframed footage. So we'll open this up and we'll open up our drive. And as you can see, when you film on the Insta360 camera, the 360 camera creates two files for every video you create and an LRV file, like a small file. But if we just go down to, take this one here, we've got 41, 42. There's two files for every video basically. So what you want to do is you want to drag all your relevant files into the Insta360 footage folder that you just created. And then once you've done that, you're going to open that in Insta360 Studio, ready for reframing. Now it's imported the video here for me. I'm going to do my magic and reframe the video here. If you are struggling with learning how to use Insta360 Studio and you don't know how to reframe footage, watch the video that's on the screen now, which will show you how to edit your footage in Insta360 Studio. But once you've reframed all your footage and you're happy with it and you're ready to save it, we're then going to click export, and we're going to change our file path, and we're going to find the file path that we've just created, and we're going to drop it into reframed footage because it is a reframed video. And we're going to click open, and then we're going to set our video export settings, which I have multiple videos on this channel about how to set yours depending on what you are wanting to do with your video. We're going to click export. Insta360 Studio will do its thing. If we navigate to our reframe footage folder, you'll see our video is in there, ready to be used. And you'll see there when we open our reframe footage folder, our video will be in there, ready to use. Now this is how I would recommend that you organize your files with Insta360. It creates a really, really good structured management system. Nothing will ever be cluttered, you'll never be confused, and you'll know exactly where your footage is without accidentally deleting it. So hopefully that was useful. Drop a comment below if you've got any questions about file management or anything on Insta360, and check out some of the videos on my channel for other cool videos on action cameras and photography and videography.